Hey!
Hey!
Hey, there's Steve.
Happy
There's
Saturday.
Kate.
There's the wifey.
And they're going to come over and actually teach us how to use an espresso machine. That's the top of my head, by the way. So cool. So let the lessons begin.
All right, are you ready?
You ready?
Stocking
Uh-huh.
coffee beans in the top and water in your tank, right?
Okay.
'Cause without water,
You can't do anything without water.
no, or coffee.
Yeah.
For that matter.
Or coffee.
So this is all clean, as you see. We are gonna stick it in and gently press. Good things take some time.
Yes.
All right, we're ready with coffee,
Uh-huh.
freshly grinded.
Oh yeah. A
See
little
this?
above the air. Oh, that smells so good. Fresh ground coffee smells amazing, doesn't
It
it?
is addictive, to be honest with you. We take this little topper and we press. Sort of twist a little bit if you like. You can't go without a little
Tap, tap, tap.
tap tap. I like that. You clean your surface and then you gently insert it into your coffee lock. Yeah.
Oh.
I wouldn't lock it very much. You get it.
Gotta get a mug.
How
Okay.
about this one?
Yeah, that's an old 1970s mug, by the way.
Does it say here?
Does it say on there?
It does say something.
Yeah.
84.
84. So wrong. 80s mug.
I was born in 87. This coffee
That mug is
older.
almost-
Hi, Granny. All right, so we're doing just a long espresso.
Okay.
Then we're gonna show how we do cappuccino or latte.
Okay.
The special finger, right?
The special finger.
You press here and you hold for 3 seconds.
Okay.
You take it. This beauty will do the rest.
Oh, look at that dark elixir of life.
And you can actually monitor your range.
Uh-huh.
So the stronger it gets, the closer it will be to the end of this circle.
Okay. So the pressure's good on that.
I like that pressure. Normally, that's a good morning coffee.
And that's called a pull, right? Or something like that. I've heard when you
Yeah,
do a pull.
I know. I guess I'm not using the right terminology.
Me neither. I don't.
It's gonna stop on its own. That's it. It died, and it's ready sold.
Beautiful. Well, that's got a
Isn't
nice
that
amount in there too. Yeah.
And then you flavor it as you would like.
It's coffee.
Coffee.
And they don't even care. They're over there playing with their phones. And,
We're comparing phones.
they're gonna just drink it when it's done. Ooh.
I like it. This is my morning little ritual.
That's the ritual right there.
Yeah. So then I would add sugar or something to flavor this coffee. If you don't, you can only drink it that way.
Right.
You know. Naked is what we call.
Naked. And now we're gonna do this.
The milk,
Okay, let me
yes.
grab
So
some.
we need
Let me grab some milk.
milk.
I guess you're gonna definitely use more milk when you're steaming it and stuff. So.
I'll tell you a story once when we ran out of milk. What this guy told us
What?
about my milk.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, how was that latte made out of that?
I told you. I said I'm gonna say it later.
Flashback to a friend's
Flashback.
episode.
All right, don't vlog that thing. That's just gonna make a lot of my fans go nuts. All right, we're gonna steam some milk. So you see, this is the steamer right here.
Steam in the water.
Yeah, so we're gonna twist it on the steaming side, and we're gonna wait. I usually, hold it by the handle because this can get really, really warm, and you don't want to burn your
hand.
See, oh, it's starting. You see the little
You can hear-
bubbles?
And you can hear them.
This is the weirdest sound. So start heating. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it real good.
That was a Michael Jackson song.
Oh, Dad. Sorry, born in 87. I'm telling you. Patience is what you need for that. Just check. It's getting warmer. Definitely.
Just to change up the shot a little bit.
Yeah, the angle is important. So, feel like it's getting really warm. So as soon as you start feeling it's warm from the bottom to the top, then you start playing with it like this way.
Up and down.
Up and down. It reminds me of something, but I'm not going to tell you what.
And while she's filling the milk, they're still playing on their phones.
Somebody has to work here.
Somebody has to.
It gets really foamy. I'm getting ready, okay?
Okay.
Turn it off. I like that foam coming. All right, you have foam now. And that.
And ta-da!
Get another cup, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, here, I'll grab you. I'll grab you one of my favorite Bucky's cups.
Bucky.
She has a Bucky's t-shirt on right over there right now.
We can't see it.
It's a beaver.
It's a beaver.
The authentic way to do cappuccino is you first foam and then you pour it into a cup, right? You need a little spoon to help yourself. So you're pouring the milk and you're taking the foam too.
Look at that foam. It's almost like just white cotton candy.
I know. Love it. And normally you would do the coffee on top from the espresso machine, but since we did it earlier,
Yeah.
we pour it in. And we're gonna do a little face, because I like to do it special for special people in my life. I'm a little barista.
You are.
I'm a little barista.
Here it is.
Oh, wow.
It just makes me happy.
Oh, it's a little heart.
Here it is.
It's Kate's heart in a cup.
Oh, it's very nice. And that's how you do it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Thank you very much. And they're still on their phones, by the way. You found someplace we had to go?
We have to go to IKEA.
Because there's pillows we need to find.
But we had to walk to the store.
Yeah, because you have to once you get here. There's so much stuff to look at.
There really is.
I know. Those are cool and different and handy. I like the retro look of them.
We could put them at the end of the counter.
Where?
You know, where the counter comes out and we have the plug-in at the end of the counter. We can put it there, or if that's the way, we can put it on the inside of the dining room. Right there.
That might be good.
What would we put in
Let's-
it?
I don't know. Just glasses. You wouldn't want to put too much weird stuff in it. Like you found something.
I have a trash bag. I have a trash bin with
And
a
trash
lid
bags.
and trash.
You found something. I would think that's a little bigger. I was supposed to catch that, I guess.
To catch that.
Okay. I was going to say, I think that ball's a little bigger than most of the real basketballs.
But you can slam dunk it.
she has now added a bag. A stylish new IKEA bag that goes with everything,
Don't leave the house.
including those boots. You know your little trash bucket that you just bought?
Uh-huh.
Look, right over there.
They believe in their own products.
They do. Watching Graveyard Girl, and then we remembered, oh, that zoomed in a lot. We haven't done this in several days.
Sorry about that, guys.
We keep forgetting to do the advent calendar.
Yeah, you made fun of me.
It's 14, right? 14, 15, 16. Okay, there's 14.
Probably just do 17.
14, what do we get? It's a chocolate bell.
That's a bell.
It's a bell. Okay. Oh, they're 15. Okay. Oh, it's hard to open. Oh, it's way over there. No wonder I couldn't.
Here you go, babes. It's a boot.
It's a Santa boot. Okay. Now 16. 16. Oh, there it is.
That one was easy.
That was easy. And it is a sleeping moon. Look, sleeping moon. And she's doing something. I don't know what she's making.
I'm making dinner.
What are you making?
Some low-carb pizza.
To go with the unlow carb pizza we had last night.
To make us feel better about that choice.
Oh, and by the way, I've never done Papa Murphy's. Have you done Papa Murphy's before? No. It was the first time, and it was really good. I even told her this morning, I'm kind of sad we discovered it because now I'm going to definitely want it more and more. That I had a thin crust.
And it's so easy.
Thin crust with a garlic sauce and hot spicy Italian with jalapenos and pineapple, right? Pineapple, yeah. And it was amazing, seriously amazing. Try it. Not a sponsored video. Aloha and good morning, tubers. I am at the airport waiting to go back on a ship today. I got up at 2:30 this morning to leave the house at 3:30 to get to the airport because I thought I had a 5:30 in the morning flight. Well, I get here and try to check in, and I'm having trouble checking in, and it's because my plane is at 5:30 tonight. I have never done this in all my years of travel, ever. I have never made a mistake between AM and PM, and I don't think Janet's happy with me. She's coming back to get me. Oh, wow.
I missed you.
Hi. Can you believe? You can't. I can't
7.5
believe.
years.
I can't believe I've never done this ever.
I'm glad I get to spend more time with you. Let's go cuddle.
Okay. When you mess up AM and PM, this is what you get to come home to.
I get you don't like my morning style.
I'm showing your feet.
Okay. It's warm. Guess what he did? He turned off the heater last night because it got a little warm. We had the oven on, the
fireplace
on, so it got a little warm. He turned off the heater and we woke up to a house.
Was it freezing?
It was 62 degrees. That's freezing for a house.
Butterflies getting dropped off for our grooming. Bee fly, that is. Bee fly is getting dropped off. And because I'm on the way to the airport. Because I messed up the time. But luckily, I had time to come back, take a nap, do stuff around the house. We've recorded a podcast, a new Wrinkled Sheets podcast, so be sure and look for that. If you listen to podcasts, and you should, especially ours, it's on iTunes and Podbean and Spreaker and Stitcher, and it's on iHeart and TuneIn. It's everywhere that podcasts can be found. So look for Wrinkled Sheets podcast and my podcast, Remasculate. And you can also find Janet's other podcast, Two Girls and a Bottle of Wine. So if you haven't heard that, you should check that out, because that's a podcast. I mean, everybody can listen to it, but it's one that she thought, you know, girls need a podcast too. So check out Two Girls and a Bottle of Wine. And I'm waiting for her. The reason I keep looking is I moved the car, and so I don't want her to miss that I moved.
What are you doing? Moving the car?
I did. I saw you walking over there, and I was going to film you and go, yoo-hoo, I'm over here. Well, so far that's been quick and easy and painless. I was checked right on. Bag went on. No saying you can't check your bag, you're too early. That's done. I was TSA pre-approved, and now I'm already through security and in my terminal. So I'm very, very happy. And there's a store here I've never seen in the airport before. So I've got some time. I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, I love funky socks. If you don't know that, I love funky socks. I have on the Sriracha socks that Janet gave me for Christmas. Look. Sriracha. And my white leg. Yeah. I don't know that brand. If I know that brand, comment down below if you know anything about this before I Google. Apparently that logo is on everything.
We just got our plan for all of our
It's just a look that has been so yuppie for me. Not it's a bad look, it's just never been my look.
Butterfly, I want to show the world how pretty you are. Someone got groomed today. Look at the little bones. She's just like, cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. Aw, so pretty.